As compared with normal integer array, float, double character, integer, float or double array, the character array is little different. So let's see like how it different, and we have to treat it little different way. So first we'll understand what is the difference. So let's assume I want to receive one character, so I will declare char a or x, something one variable. But I want to receive one name. The name can be Balu or Bala Subramaniam. So then I need to go with the character array. So I am declaring one character array char n of 20. So for this the memory will be allocated something like this. So let's assume the memory allocated from 2000. So from 2000 20 bytes of memory is allocated, and the name of this is n. Okay. So next I want to receive the name. Yeah, as compared with the integer array, let's see like the way how we treated the integer array. Same way, if we treat the character array, what are the problem we are facing? So now we want to receive the name. The name we want to receive it from the user. So we need one loop. Why? Because we have a we are going to receive a multiple number of characters. So we have a loop. Since the array size is 20, so the loop I am controlling up to 20 times. Now assume that a user is giving a name like a Balu, so he will give B. So when n value is 0, in n of 0 you are taking B and you are storing the B. And next I will be 1 less than 20, condition true, come here. In n of 1 you are receiving A. So each time you will give B, enter, A, enter, L, enter, U, enter. Actually you are supposed to give only 4 characters. So B, A, L, U. So B, A, L, U, that is what actually I wanted to give. But since the loop is running for 20 times, it will further again it will go. When I value is like a 4 less than 20, again it will go and wait for the n of 4. In this place also it will expect some character. Now since I want to complete the loop, I am just giving some dot. So the remaining all we are just like storing the dot. So here the problem is, when I want to give one name, the name is actually Balu. So I want to give only BALU, but unnecessarily I am giving BALU dot. And another problem is the loop is running for 20 times, but actually I don't want. I want the loop should run for only 4 times. Got it, right? So these two problems we are facing during the string input. I mean when you want to give input to the character array. Suppose the whatever we received, that we want to print. Again for printing also we have to use the for loop. So for loop is from I equal to 0, I less than 20, I plus plus. Since what user is given, that we don't know. User may given like a Balu, user may given like a Bala Subramaniam, we don't know. So again here also we have to use the loop as I equal to 0, I less than 20. And here we are printing percentage C n of I. So now it will print BALU dot. Why? Because the remaining all we stored with a dot. Okay. So when we treat the character array just like our integer array, in integer array we know clearly. For example, one student have 5 subject mark. So it is fixed. First subject mark we will give and we will store in the respective memory. Second subject mark we will give and it will store in the second. There it is fine. But when we want to give the name, some name will be 4 characters, some name will be 40 characters, some name will be maybe 400 characters. So we can't like fix the loop. We can't fix the loop like this loop should run only for this many time or this many time. And we want to declare the array also as maximum size, because some name will be like a 4 character, some name will be like a 15 character, 20 character also. So we have to declare the array size also maximum, and the loop also we will be running for up to the maximum size what we given here, that many times. So when we do this, again when we print also, that time also we are using the loop as per the array size. So when we are treating the character array just like your integer array, These are the problems we are facing. Unnecessarily loops are running and we want to give like a Balu, but we are giving so many extra characters. So that Dennis Ritchie has like introduced some other format specifier, that is %s. So let's see how the %s is solving our problem. So these all issues like how it is going to be solved out. Okay, fine. So now same program let's do with the %s. Void main, same character array, the size with the 20, and now I don't think so we need this I. So here just we are giving printf, enter the name, and directly scanf. You don't need any loop. Why? Because the complete string directly you are going to receive it with the help of %s. When you are using %c, you need to give character by character, but when you are using %s, you can give the complete name altogether. So %s, and here you have to give the base address of the array, but here you will give the respective 1 byte memory address. Got it, right? Because you are going to receive one character, so you are giving the 1 byte memory. Got it, right? First you will give 2000, next you will give 2001, 2002, 2003. Why? Because we are receiving one character. But now using %s, we are going to receive the complete string. Balu means all 4 characters you are going to receive same time. So in this case, you have to give the base address of the respective array. So how will you give the base address? Just n. Correct, right? Just n itself is like a base address of the array. So n means the 2000 you are giving as a starting address. And then while printf also you are going to give %s, and in this case also you need to give the base address of the array. Now you see the program also, it is very simplified, and also it is going to solve the problem what we faced. Now let's understand a bit more deeper way how this %s works. Got it, right? So %s, here you are given some base address. What the %s will do, the format specifier will do is, suppose here the control will be waiting. So now when user is giving the input, user can give the input like a Balu enter. That's all. You can type, you don't need to type a single character by character. Just BALU type and then you give enter. So then what the %s, that is this scanf, will do is, it will take the B and it will store it in the first byte of the given memory. The given memory is what? 2000. So the B it will take and it will store it in the 2000, and A it will store it in 2001, L it will store it in 2002, U it will store it in 2003, and also the compiler, your operating system, will add one more extra character. Okay, whenever you are using %s, okay, your OS, correct, right? See, if you run this program in the terminal, you will get message like enter the name. After that, what you do? You give BALU enter, and that BALU, how it is going and stored in the respective RAM memory location, your OS is doing all these things, correct, right? So when the OS is taking these characters and storing in this place, yeah, it will store like this, and also it will add one extra character for %s. Whenever you are receiving with the %s, it will take the actual character. You are giving only BALU enter you are giving. The BALU it will take and it will store it like this. also the OS will add one extra character after the last character, that is /0. So the /0 the OS will add, you are not going to give it. Okay, so scanf is job is done. Got it, right? The same thing here, what you have done, B enter, A enter, L enter, U enter, after that it was running, so you given like a dot like that you given, and finally like when the loop is ending you came out. But in this case just BALU enter, the OS will take this BALU and it will store in the respective memories, and also after the last character it will add a /0. Clear so far? Now you must be thinking, sir, what is the purpose of /0? Why the OS is adding the /0? Correct, right? Now let's understand when we are using the printf, yeah, it is going to help us. Now when you are doing printf also we have a format specifier %s, and here also we are giving the base address of the array. So when you are printing %s, you are giving the starting address of the array. Now the printf, what it will do, it will take the starting address 2000. In the 2000 memory, whatever the character is there, it will print. So what character you have? You have B, it will print a B, and automatically it will go to the next byte. Next byte, what character you have? A. Next byte L, next byte U, and the next byte /0 is there. So whenever /0 is there, the printf, it will identify that string is ending here. So /0, it indicates that where your string is ending, where your string is terminated. Got it, right? So like just like your semicolon, whenever most of the C statement, as already we discussed, the C statement will end with the semicolon. Correct? What indicates? What the semicolon indicates? The line is ending there. Correct, right? So similarly, the string is ending here, like that your compiler is adding one /0. When you are printing printf %s, you are giving the base address, so it will print up to U. When /0 is identified, it will stop and it will come out. So it will print only BALU, and then your program will get completed. Clear? Okay. So the %s format specifier, it makes our life easy. If we don't have %s, definitely we have to struggle with the traditional way of like a printing using the loop. Okay. Clear, right, everybody? Okay. Suppose user is giving the name as like a Balaji. Okay. So I mean during the scanf, user is giving the name as a Balaji. B will be stored in 2000, A will be stored in 2001, L 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006 /0 will be added. And when it is coming to printf, print %s, still now also you are giving the base address only. See, in previous case also, while scanning also you are giving base address, while printing also you are giving base address. But how the printf will identify, here I have to stop print. That's where like this /0 helps. Clear, everybody?